While authorities across the U.S. are appealing to millions of Americans to stay indoors, there's one group that doesn't have a choice. There are concerns that the nation's prisoners could be particularly at risk from the virus, which has brought the country to a virtual standstill. Hundreds of COVID-19 cases have already been identified in correctional facilities across the country. Campaigners say they need protection. Ebony, whose father is currently in prison, says the coronavirus is exposing the inadequacy of the system.
There is no such thing as having 6 feet separation between two individuals, especially if they are in a cell that is the size of what would be considered a dorm room. They're doing the very minimum. I think that they could be doing way more. And I think that they don't do way more, that this epidemic or pandemic is not going to be going anywhere.
The U.S. has the biggest prison population in the world, and confined living conditions mean viral outbreaks are common.
Is the coronavirus, is this the first time that that prisoners have had to deal with, outbreaks of pandemics or epidemics or anything like that?
Well, it's certainly not the first time. I mean, there were huge spikes in the American prison population with the H1N1 virus a few years back. Tuberculosis is something that is not uncommon in the American prison system. So these types of infectious diseases are quite common.
Some states have been responding to COVID-19 by reducing prisoner numbers, releasing inmates convicted of low-level offenses and declining to prosecute new ones. But campaigners are hoping this pandemic could ultimately lead to wholesale change. Lionel Donovan, TRT World.